Hello everyone, myself Tejman Mahali. Today we are discussing VL, that is vapor liquid equilibrium. The vapor liquid equilibrium describes the distribution of chemical species between the gas phase and liquid phase. Here, the closed vessel where the vapor phase and liquid phase are together. The gauge pressure is shows total pressure exerted on the wall of vessel by the vapor phase and liquid phase, and this is the molar fraction of vapor phase. The concentration of vapor in the contact with its liquid, especially at equilibrium, it is often expressed in terms of vapor pressure, which will be partial pressure, that is a part of total gas pressure. If any other gases are represented in the vapor, the equilibrium vapor pressure of the liquid is generally strongly dependent on the temperature. At the liquid vapor liquid equilibrium, the liquid with individual components in a certain concentration will have equilibrium vapor in which the concentration or partial pressure of the vapor component have certain value depending upon all the liquid component concentration and temperature. The converse it is also true. If a vapor component at certain concentration, the partial pressure in its vapor liquid equilibrium with its liquid, then the component concentration the liquid will be determined dependent on the vapor concentration and on the temperature. The liquid concentration with each component in the liquid phase is often different from concentration, that is vapor pressure in the vapor phase, but there is a relation between them. Now, thermodynamically real. There are two systems. One is pure component, second is multi-component system. Now, this is pure component. If the liquid and vapor are pure, in that they constitute only one molecular component and no impurity, then the equilibrium state, the two phases are described by the following equation. Pressure in liquid phase is equal to pressure in vapor phase. Temperature in liquid phase is equal to temperature in vapor phase. Gives free energy in liquid phase is equal to gives free energy in vapor phase, where pressure in liquid phase is equal to pressure in vapor phase are the pressure within the liquid, and temperature in liquid phase is equal to temperature in vapor as the temperature within the liquid and vapor, and gives free energy in liquid phase is equal to give free energy in vapor phase as the molar give free energy within the liquid and vapor respectively. In the other words, the temperature, pressure, and molar give free energy are the same between the two phases when they are at equilibrium. Now, for multi-component system, where vapor and liquid consist more than one type of molecule, describing the molecular equilibrium state is more complicated. For all components, that is I in the system, the equilibrium state between the two phases are described by following. For I component, pressure in liquid phase equal to the pressure in vapor phase. Temperature in liquid phase is equal to temperature in vapor phase. Molar give free energy in liquid phase equal to molar give free energy at vapor phase, where P and T are the temperature and pressure of each phases, and give free energy in liquid phases is equal to give molar give free energy in vapor phase are partial molar grip free energy, are also called as chemical potential, that is, unit of energy per amount of substance. Now, within the liquid and vapor phase, respectively, for each phase. Now, this is a VLE diagram. This graph is represented at y-axis mole fraction of component 1 in liquid phase and y-axis mole fraction of component in vapor phase. This is the vapor liquid equilibrium line. This is a component line. Similarly, on the upper side, x-axis represents the mole fraction of component 2 in liquid phase and y-axis mole fraction of component in vapor. For each component in the binary system, one would make a vapor liquid equilibrium diagram. Such a diagram would be graph liquid mole fraction on horizontal axis and vapor mole fraction on vertical axis. In such a VLE diagram, liquid mole fraction for component 1 and 2 can be represented as x1 and x2 respectively, and vapor mole fraction of the corresponding component are commonly represented as y1 and y2. Similarly, for binary mixture in this VLE diagram, x1 plus x2 is equal to 1 and y1 plus y2 is equal to 1. Such a VLE diagram are square like this, and diagonal line running from the x1 is equal to 0 and y1 is equal to 0. Corner to the x1 is equal to 1 and y1 is equal to 1 at the corner reference. That is corner reference. This is VLE. Now, application of VLE. Vapor liquid equilibrium information is useful to design the column for distillation, especially fractional distillation column, which is a particular specialty of chemical engineering. Distillation is the process used to separate and partially separate components in the mixture by the boiling, that is vaporization, followed by the condensation. Distillation takes place advantages of difference in concentration of components in the liquid and vapor. Thank you for listening.